Hey everyone, welcome to our new condo listing we have here in Northville, walking distance away from downtown Northville, and it's right across the street from the brewing company along with the cider mill. So right now let's go take you inside and show you what we have. Alright everyone, so now we're here in the kitchen of the condo, and you can notice too right off the bat some of the high quality finishes. We have beautiful countertop with the accented backsplash along with all of the stainless steel appliances. And I'll go right now in depth and show you a more closer look of the kitchen, and as you're watching it, pay attention to detail that they have. Alright, now that you guys just saw the kitchen, I'm going to take you on a little bit more tour of just showing you the rest of the condo. You're going to see all the living spaces we have. You're going to see the 2 bedrooms that are located upstairs, along with everything else this condo has to offer. Alright, that concludes our tour today of our beautiful new condo listing we have here in Northville. Like I mentioned before, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My number is 734-864-2049, or just comment down below and I'll answer you guys as soon as I can.